Welcome to a new vlog of 7 kids and a husband. How are you all doing today? Isn't it a beautiful day? It's sunshine.
Wow.
The birds are singing. My daughter has her English graduation test.
Yes.
In speaking, which she's nervous and I don't get why. She should be the best in the whole Bavaria.
But I keep stuttering. And that's not good.
I don't even see you. Here you are. Hello.
Oh.
You speak English at home.
Yes, I know.
So what's the problem?
I don't want to stutter.
Then don't stutter.
But I can't.
Then laugh. Say you're nervous. Ha ha ha. You can do that. Okay? I believe in you. So I'm dropping off Sammy there. And then I'm driving what?
Can I go to McDonald's?
No. That's not food you need right now. Look at this little butthole that's just driving out. Crazy ass granny.
I can buy a salad at McDonald's.
Fuck out of here. Get the heck out of here.
I'm on a diet.
I have to stop cussing.
Lona, was macht die da? Darf ich da raus?
Alright, bye. She just seen her friend somewhere. I don't have time for that, sweetheart.
Ich will nur stalken.
No, I don't have time for
Nein,
that.
ganz
You
kurz.
wanna get out or not?
Warte, ich will nur gucken, ob das die ist.
No, she wanna look if it's her friend.
Oh,
Tammy, I have no
English.
time. I am late.
know. I just want to look.
Now she make me stand here, and I told her I don't have time.
Okay. No,
It's not even your friend.
I don't think so.
Oh my god, I'm about to.
It is, but I don't want to walk.
You wanna get out now or not?
No, I don't.
So what you make me stop for?
I don't want to walk.
What you made me stop for?
I don't know.
Oh my god. It took her forever to leave this car because she is so nervous and scared she didn't want to leave. Which is bad because I'm in a hurry, as I said. I have an appointment in 30 minutes. Of course I'll be too late. You all know me by now. I'll be too late to my own funeral. What am I doing? I am getting a cover-up tattoo because back in the days when I was young and dumb, I had the great idea to tattoo myself, and it looked like I tattooed myself. It even looked like Olivia tattooed me. So I want to get that covered up today because I'm embarrassed of it sometimes. If someone say, "What is this? Did your daughter draw on your arm?" No, it's a tattoo. Oh, it's a tattoo? And I'm tired of hearing this, so I'm getting it covered up today. I hope it looks good, which I'm sure it looks good. Yeah, let's go there, guys. You join me. I'm such a crybaby when it comes to that. I'm so scared, and I hope I'll make it because, as you'll see, I'm alone. Nobody there to hold my hand. So yeah. Unbelievable but true. Even if it's difficult to find a parking spot, I made it on time. Yeah, let's go there. Oh, and let me show you the before.
Two hours later.
unbelievable but true, I survived it, guys. Part 1 is done. I have to show you later because it's still wrapped up. Yeah, my arm is on fire. We continue doing it on at the end of August. Yeah, I need a break. So as you all can tell, I am back home. It's time to clean up a little bit. The 2 little girls are playing, then we pick up Lorenzo, and then it's almost time to hit the gym. The dogs are asleep? Yeah. Uh-oh, what y'all doing on my dishwasher? Mia, what are you doing? Huh? Are you standing up? Yay! Mia! Good job! It looks like it's a real bad thunderstorm coming. Another one. I don't know what's going on with the weather this year, this summer. But yeah, look at this. Doesn't it look scary? The weather is really acting up. I'm driving to the gym now with Aaliyah. Get some of that anger out. And that was it for today. Thank you all for watching. Give us a like. Subscribe if you haven't. We promise very soon we back regularly. Yeah, we love you guys. Peace out.